What's up, kind people of YouTube? My name is Ahmed and welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to discuss one really funny film that I watched. I wish that a lot more people were talking about. It's called 3 and it's on Netflix. As I mentioned in my typewriter video, and in case you haven't seen it, I'm going to link it in the description down below. I'm a big horror buff, and even though I get scared quite often, I still end up watching a lot of horror films and watching a lot of horror TV show. Okay, so let's get into talking about the film. And it's probably one of the first few proper horror comedy films that were produced by India. I mean, before that, there were a lot of horror films that automatically qualify as comedy films because they were made in India. There were very few films that were actually scary in India, that were made in India, that were actually scary. They were just really funny otherwise. I mean, right off the top of my head, I think Bhoot and another probably Ram Gopal Verma film that was really good. I think it's Phunk that I liked. Apart from that, the rest of the horror genre in India is pretty much dead, like the ghost that we have in India. Now, Stree was a refreshing change from all of the horror films that I've seen. It had really scary moments. Plus, Rajkumar Rao and Pankaj Tripathi in the film, carrying the film really beautifully. And then you had different other actors, like Ayushmann Khurrana's cousin. I keep forgetting his name, but his performance in the film is also really good. And then you have Stree herself, that is one scary and two really funny. There are various things that I absolutely loved about the film, and there was something that I wish that the film had done better. But before I divulge into what the film did well and what the film didn't do really well, I wanted to talk about where this idea comes from. This Stree idea comes from. It's basically a myth, that urban legend. I wouldn't call it a myth, I'd call it an urban legend that's based out of Bangalore and rural parts of Bangalore. And it's also used in a lot of Karnataka's villages, where it comes from this urban legend called Naleba, which basically means come tomorrow. So the myth is something like this, where this old lady walks up to your door, knocks the door and asks for something, and if you open the door and give her that, she'll take possession of your house, possession of you and the house. If you don't, if you have Naleba written, she's a very well read ghost and she'll read it and go away. Now that's where the idea comes from, and to see that adapted into a film and be executed as beautifully as it was done by Matic Films, the producers of the film. And I loved how they used the comedy aspects of the film, created something that was as beautiful as Stree. Now, the things that actually worked for the film was, one, the storyline. It was a very simple storyline. The time frame where the story happens is over a span of 4 days. So you get introduced to the characters on day 1, and by the end of day 4 you've reached the end of the film. And it doesn't waste too much time setting up the film. It doesn't waste too much time setting up the idea, and that was something that was really beautiful. The second thing that I liked about the film was the use of comedy and comic relief in the film. Like, each of the characters that are there are very typically funny. Their characterizations are really funny, and that impacts how the story is being told. And the fact that sometimes you feel scared of a character and sometimes you don't, and that was something that I actually enjoyed. Another thing that works really in favor of the film is the fact that the narrative is very well paced. Like, it's not fast, it's not slow. Another thing that works in favor of the film is the fact that the narrative is really well done. It's quick, but at the same time it spends enough time explaining the mythos and explaining the idea behind why that town is haunted, why this lady comes every year at that particular juncture. Do I recommend that you watch this film? Absolutely. Even if you're not a big horror buff, I personally feel that you should watch this film just for the sheer brilliance of the film. I don't know if I have anything negative to say about the film because I thoroughly enjoyed it. Although if I were to nitpick a little bit, I could say that I wish there were a few more jump scares. Secondly, I wish the comedy was a little more subtle. It was too in your face for my liking, but then again, everybody has their own personal preference, and the fact that it worked for me regardless of how slapstick or sort of slapstick it was in the film works for some people, and that goes to say a lot about how well the film has been produced and directed. And peace. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please do like, share, subscribe to the channel, and share the video as much as you can. I'm going to make a video on Rohi really soon, and I hope you are ready for that as well. Peace. See you in the next one.